You don't see too many of these on the road anymore. They all got driven into the ground because they were so reliable. All of the guys would fill them with tools and drive around until the doors fell off. That is an amazing ride.
Send me love in a package labeled dynamite. I wanna feel that it buzzing when I hold it tight. I got a powerhouse perception waiting for you when you come back to your loving baby's arms again.
Hi, Duke Bossa Nova here with Bossa Nova Life once again at the Winter Rod and Speed Show. This is the second time I've been here in 10 years, but we're going to check out this little show up here and see what's going on. For those of you who are wondering, Lola isn't with me today. I'm rolling solo. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Glenn Rader. I'm from Salem, Oregon. I have a 1964 Thunderbird convertible. This is all original.
Okay.
The paint, the interior, everything. The motor, the transmission, everything in this car is original.
I could tell the interior was and the paint looked that way. That's why I stopped you today.
Yeah.
So did you get it in this condition?
I got it in a very nice condition, and I haven't really done too much to it except some cosmetic stuff, making sure that it's ready to go. And I did have to redo the transmission.
Oh wow, that's it.
Still the same one. It's got some unique features to it. The steering wheel in there slides over to the side like it is right now, so you can get out real easy, and then it comes back around in front of the driver.
That way the ladies with their skirts could get it out easily, I assume?
Yeah.
What is it running in it? You said it's original motor.
A 390.
A 390 is what it came stock with, huh?
Yep.
Oh, there we go. Original horsepower, baby.
Original horsepower.
I love that. Mm-hmm. So how long have you had it?
I've had it about 5 years. Over 50 years old. That's not bad.
No, not at all. So do you get to drive it much? There's the better question.
You know, when the weather's nice, I do drive it.
Can't give you too much grief. In Oregon, where it rains constantly in the wintertime, the convertible's a little rough.
Yeah, it stays garaged. And I think everybody that's owned it before me kept it garaged.
Yeah.
That's why it's just in good a condition as it is.
Well, I appreciate your time today.
Well, thank you very much. Nice meeting you.
You too.
Hi, what's your name?
Very good. Albany.
Albany, right here in town. And what have we got here?
It's a 1939 Deluxe Ford.
Yeah, I love it. You got a gangster car.
Yes, it is.
So how long have you had this?
20 years.
20 years. And what shape was it in when you got it?
A lot rougher than it is now.
Well, that's what we like to hear. So, all right, so you do the paint yourself?
Did the paint, the interior, everything.
Amazing. So when are you running in it?
Stock flathead V8.
Oh, I love that even more. Kept it all original.
Yes, sir.
See, I try to find these guys, I hunt them down. And I know for myself, I see lots of Chevys and Dodges. I don't see many Fords around in Oregon. No, it's a hard car to find.
They're hard to find. The ones that are around, people hot rod them with Chevy engines.
Yeah, a lot of bow tie Fords running around.
I'm a purist.
I respect a purist. I do respect it at least if a guy's got it on the road and driving it. That's something, right?
There you go.
It's in the blood, though.
If wife says I haven't done.
Does he have enough? Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
All right, thank you.
Oh no, it's Marvin the Martian. I was looking for an earth-shattering kaboom. There you guys go. It's one of my only impressions, and I finally got to do it on the channel after 11 years. There you go. I can do Marvin the Martian.
I'm good. How are you?
And what have we got here?
We got a 1955 Chevy Gasser.
I love it. I don't see enough gassers anymore. That's for
Me either. I want them all to be Gasser.
So how long have you had this one?
10 years.
10 years. Amazing. And so what are you running it in?
Run 396. It's slightly built for it's all over 402 cubic inches.
Wow.
Got aluminum heads. It runs 12.7, 110 and a quarter miles.
Woo, love that.
Yeah.
Amazing.
So we also drive it pretty much everywhere we go.
I can see you've been to the Woodburn Drags.
Yes. Regular visitor. Run 2 cars there.
So you as a daily driver and as a gasser.
Yes, sir.
So what kind of condition was it in when you got it?
I actually bought it with the color and the straight axle. I upgraded the motor and the rear end and the interior in the car.
Okay. Did you have your eyes on it first, or did you go hunting for it?
It found me. My friend had bought it, and his wife did not like the gasser. She wanted a lower car, and he'd had 22 of these. So I talked him out of selling
22 of them
to me. Yeah.
Wow.
I said, I want one.
Sounds like you were talking to the right man.
Yeah. Known him for a long time, so.
I love it. Well, thank you so much for bringing it today. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
What broke us up about 10 of them is the fact that we're starting to get young guys.
Lola may not be with me today, but I definitely found a Betty Boop anyhow. Today.
I'm great, thank you.
What's your name?
Marshall Smith.
Where are you from, Marshall?
I live right here in Albany.
Oh, wonderful. And what have we got here?
This is a 56 Victoria 2-door hardtop.
I love it.
I purchased it in 2001. Finished putting it together about a year ago.
Okay, so about 20 years to work on it.
Yeah, but 15 and cent doing nothing.
Okay, well, you got it done. That's the most important part.
We did. I'm the second owner of the car.
Is this the original color scheme?
No, it was an all-white car.
Okay, I love this. If my wife was here, she would tell you that pops.
This is the color of my high school car, and I'm reliving my youth.
Okay, there's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
So what are you running in it?
I've got an FE. It's a 402.
Oh, wow. Put some horsepower.
Approximately 400. I don't know the torque.
You are reliving your youth.
Yes, for sure. My wife sewed the interior. My son did the paint and body, and I did all the mechanicals and the assembly.
Wow, this is a family project right here for real. So that leaves the question, though, who gets it when you're gone then? They have to fight over it?
Well, my son says he's done with cars, so I'm not sure how it will end up. but in 30 years, I won't care.
Okay, well, I mean, I'll take it. I mean, you could force it on me.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't find that it gets a lot of attention because most of the people are younger and don't remember these in their youth.
I don't know. My son's 24, and he'd be checking this out with me.
Very good. Very good.
Well, thank you so much. I appreciate you bringing this ride today. It is gorgeous.
Yeah. Appreciate the interview.
Oh, speaking of Moon Eyes, Lola and I will be in LA next week for Moon Eyes, shooting that video, so watch out for it on the channel. It's going to be amazing. I've been wanting to go for years.
Welcome to our channel, Bossa Nova Life. We cover all things custom culture and atomic era, from inked pinup babes to classic car shows with rockabilly bands, vintage tiki, vintage RV, burlesque, and of course, mid-century antiquing. If you love to discover new people, places, and events on the scene, we've been working hard for you since 2012. Support what you love. Join us on the Buy Me a Coffee website today and donate a cocktail or two, or become a monthly member and help us keep the lights on. This is a labor of love, and your support is critical to make these videos even possible. Follow the link in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe.
Oh, Mandy. You could tow some golf carts around with this, maybe a couple bicycles. I don't know. I don't know if it has enough horsepower to move an American muscle car. That would be fascinating. How many green muscle cars can there be in one show? Well, clearly more than one. Wow, usually it's Chevys and Dodges. This is definitely a record number of Fords today on the channel. I certainly don't avoid them. There just aren't that many here in Oregon.
Is this yours? Is this gentleman's?
Said it go off, you'd see it's gone to heaven now. He starred in American Graffiti. You've been in that, Beth?
What's your name, fine sir?
Wayne Williams.
Where are you from?
Originally from Hollywood, California.
Okay. Worked on American Graffiti?
No. My best friend, Bo Hopkins, was in American Graffiti. And my adopted sister was in the movie.
Okay.
Williams.
Well, of course.
Silver Shirley. We adopted each other about...
If my wife was here, she'd be freaking out right now. She loved that lady.
What we're doing is doing a memorial for Bo Hopkins. He passed away. This guy here.
And I'm definitely familiar with who that is.
American Graffiti.
Yep. They're so often for everybody who wants to know.
Yeah.
Definitely one of my favorite characters in the movie.
When I met Bo about 50 years ago, we decided that we wanted to tour America and do a lot of car shows together. That's what Bo looks like. And Milner, the guy who drove the 32 Coupe, that's the tough guy.
Wow.
I toured with all the actors from that movie. They like to use good language. That's all right. But
I respect a smart man who still uses bad language.
Yeah, he got irritated at me one time because I picked him up at a car show and he says, why do I have to ride in an old car? And after he got in, of course, he changed his mind. So anyway,
So this is your ride.
yeah.
So what is this?
So we built this from scratch.
You build it from scratch.
Yeah.
Up here in Oregon is close enough to Ducks colors, so all the football guys would.
Yeah.
So you built this from scratch. How long did it take you?
Just about 2 years.
2 years.
And this is what it looked like. That's what it looked like to start.
Like that, and you finished it like that.
Yeah, just a lot of holding out on an old trailer, and it become this. So
And I gotta point this out. One of the few people I've seen rocking a Pharaoh's jacket. Who deserves to wear the Pharaoh's jacket? Well, thank you. This ride is amazing. I love it. Your story is incredible. Thank you so much for coming up here to Little Albany, Oregon. We appreciate it.
my pleasure, buddy.
Bossa Nova.